Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn division with a remainder. What is a remainder? Sometimes we cannot put all objects in groups and some objects are left. These leftover things are remainder. Look at this example. When I divided 7 buttons in groups of 2s, 1 button is left. This is known as remainder. Before moving on, let me tell you about 3 choices we have to make. Too big to fit in, that means the number should not be too big. Look at this boy. He's trying to fit in the shoes that are too big for him. Is it the right option? Is it the right choice? No. This cat is trying to fit in a box that is way too small. So that is also not the right option. So we have to choose something that is almost near or right. Look at this example. When 9 divided by 4, we have to find the quotient. Now 9 is the dividend. It will be written inside. 4 is the divisor and it will be written outside. Then I'm going to say the table of 4. Now what if I choose 4 times 1? When 4 is multiplied by 1, it gives me 4, and then I'm going to subtract 4 from 9. My answer is 5. So is it right? No. This is not correct because the remainder is bigger than the divisor. Now let's choose another number. When I choose 3, I got 12. 4 times 3 is 12 and 9 minus 12. Is it possible? No, that's not possible. So option of choosing 3 is also not correct. Now 9 divided by 4. What if I choose 2? When 4 times 2 is 8 and now I'm going to subtract 8 from 9. My remainder will be 1. So this is the right choice, as 8 is quite near to 9 and remainder is also smaller than the divisor. So 4 times 2 gives me 8 and 2 is a quotient with remainder 1. Don't forget to remember that you are not going to choose a number that is too big so that the subtraction is not possible. When I chose the number 3, 4 times 3 gave me 12 and the subtraction was not possible. Don't choose a number that is too small so that the remainder is bigger than the divisor. When I chose the option of 4 times 1, my remainder was 5. So that is also not correct. We have to find a number. We have to choose in such a way that the product of quotient and the divisor is equal to the dividend or almost near to dividend. Like when I chose 4 times 2, it gave me 8 and 8 is near to 9. So that is the right choice. Now let's see some more examples. I'm going to divide 17 by 5. Now 17 is the dividend. First of all, we have to look, is it appearing in the table? No. Can I choose 5? No, it is way too smaller. Again, 10 is also smaller. 15 is near to 17 and 20 is bigger. So we have to choose the number that is near to the dividend. So 15 is near to 17. I'm going to choose it. 3, when 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Then I'm going to subtract 15 from 17. My remainder is 2. So my answer will be 3 with remainder 2. 38 divided by 7. Now 38. You have to look, is it appearing in the table of 7? No, it is not. Can I choose 42? No, it is bigger than 38, so that is not the correct choice. Now can I choose 35? Yes, I can choose it because it is near to 38. Can I choose 28? No, it is way too smaller than 38. So the right option would be choosing 7 times 5 is 35. So quotient is written at the top. Then 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. I'm going to subtract it and my answer remainder is 3. So my answer will be 5 with remainder 3. So this is your written task. You have to follow the same format which we discussed in the video. I hope you understand it. Take care and Allah Hafiz.